In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets templates. If you've ever opened a blank spreadsheet and wondered where to begin, this is going to save you a ton of time. Google Sheets includes a library of professional, pre-built templates for everything from budgets to project trackers, so you don't have to start from scratch. They come with structure, formatting, and even automation already in place. Here's how to find them. With a Google Sheets file open, go to File, then New, and choose from Template Gallery. That one click opens a curated collection of organized layouts created by Google. Think of it as a catalog of ready-made spreadsheets designed for common tasks, so you can jump straight to the part that matters, your data. You'll notice the templates are grouped by category, such as personal, work, and education. Browsing by category helps you quickly zero in on what fits your situation, whether it's a monthly budget, a project tracker, a task list, or a class roster. When you spot a template that matches what you need, simply click it. Google instantly creates a brand new copy in your drive, separate from the original, and it's ready for you to edit right away. The best part is that all the complex formulas and charts are already set up behind the scenes. You don't have to write any functions or design any graphs. Just delete the sample numbers and placeholder text, type in your own information, and watch the spreadsheet update automatically. If you see totals, summaries, or dashboards, those are powered by formulas that pull from your input cells. A helpful tip: replace the sample inputs, but try not to delete cells that contain formulas. If you click a cell and see a function in the formula bar, that means it's doing work for you. Leave it in place so the template keeps calculating correctly. There are 3 big reasons to use templates. First, they save time because all the layout decisions and formatting are already done. Second, they help you learn. Click on calculated cells to see how formulas are written, and you'll quickly pick up techniques you can reuse elsewhere. Third, many templates include built-in charts and mini dashboards, so insights appear the moment you enter your data. That's all you need to start. Open the gallery, pick a category, click a template, and replace the sample data. You'll have a polished, functional spreadsheet in minutes, without any of the heavy lifting.